Today, we will make floral earrings. You will need some colorful beads, polyester fiber, any one color of thread, one color of lace, 2 earring posts, scissors, embroidered fabric pieces. Once you have collected all of your materials, grab an embroidered fabric piece and a needle. Stitch around in a circle shape, leaving excess fabric around it. Then pull the thread. Fill it in with a little piece of polyester fiber. Stitch the back to secure. Add one bead at a time to your needle and stitch it on. Now grab your lace. Roll it around and stitch it on as you go. Then cut off the rest of the lace. Stitch the bottom tightly. Now stitch in your earring posts. The result is so beautiful. Follow my channel for more easy and unique ideas like this.
Thanks for watching.